crafty friends. Today I want to share with you guys a explosion box that I have altered, and this explosion box is a custom made one, and it's for celebrating that they have 1 year being together, and she wants this by Monday. And yeah, she brought me the photos yesterday, which was Friday, and today, Saturday, I woke up at 7 a.m. and finished at 11:30, I believe, or 12. So I had to do it like really quick because tomorrow I have to go to work early in the morning. And yeah, and if you guys remember, I'll try to put a picture of the album that I did for her and her boyfriend. She asked me if I could combine the colors with that so they could match, because the boyfriend has the album and this is a gift for him. So I still had some of that paper left. So this is the top, and I use this is that tape that they were selling at Dollar Tree, and I put the two hearts that says love and flowers, and right here is a little envelope, and you can take out this piece of paper, and it says another year of bliss, and it goes back in there, and right here says happy day, celebrate, you make me smile. So this is what I did on the top, and I put a frame on top, and this frame I got it at Michael's. It came in three frames, and it had the word family on top, and I got it for 70% off because I think it was just the plastic missing. So I painted it and I put it on top, and then right here it says how sweet it is to be loved by you, and it says M is for memories, and the bottom says 100% made for you. And when you open it, this is what he'll be looking at. Pictures of them, and I really love how the middle part came together, and I used glossy accent just to make sure it's not gonna fall off, but I'm not really sure about that. But I put hot glue like in the flowers so they could hold it much better. And right there is another frame, and it says happy anniversary, and right here it had some birds, but I changed them into butterflies. And right here some swirls, butterflies, flowers, and that's a picture of them. And then on the back, another photo of them. Always remember, flowers and swirls. And to cover the like the back of the frame, the thing that it has to put the picture, I put this like twine, and that's them. And this is picture of them. There, can you see? And here's more of them. So yeah, that's what I have created, and like I said, I really love how the middle part came out. So yeah, so that's how it looks. So there you go, and that's how it is, and I hope the couple likes it. And I just hope everything that I'm doing for people who ask me to do something, that cherish it forever. But yeah, so that's what I've been creating. And until next time, bye. Thank you all for watching. Oh, and I have a process video if you guys wanna stay tuned of how I did this. So thank you all for watching. Bye.